Hello, today we're going with one of those recipes that looks super gourmet, but is actually really easy to make. Also, it has a fun name like the Count, but in this case, it's a sandwich. Monte Cristo sandwich. I start by putting about a tablespoon of mayonnaise in a cup. I don't know what you call it. I also add a good splash of mustard and salt and pepper. Both give a great boost of flavor. And for this first step, all you have to do is mix everything well with a little spoon. So go ahead and stir it up. Now let's assemble using 3 slices of sandwich bread. Yes, 3. What do you think? We're going to put a little bit of that sauce we just made on each one of them. So we put a nice generous spoonful on each one and spread it. And on one of them, we're going to put sliced cheese to taste and ham de jora to taste. As you can see, I always put a double layer of ham and a little bit of shredded cheese, in my case, mozzarella. We cover it with the second slice, and the top part is left without spreading anything. So we spread it. That is, the middle slice goes like this, spread on both sides. We put sliced cheese again, ham de jora, and more cheese. If you want, if you're crazy about it like me, add a little more. You're going to enjoy it. Long live cheese. We cover it with the last slice, placing the sauce side down, and we're going to press it. That is, to press it. We place something flat, like a small board, on top and press it to make it compact. On the other hand, we take an egg and we're going to beat it a little. But once it's mixed, we add a splash of milk and also salt and pepper to taste so it has some flavor. And we mix it with the same fork. That's all there is to it. And this is the liquid where we're going to soak our super Monte Cristo sandwich. But first we take a little butter and over medium-high heat, put it in a pan. When the butter is melted, we go for the sandwich. And right at that moment, and not before, we soak it. Let's flip it so it gets soaked on both sides. And pay attention to the detail. Even if it's quick, we're also going to soak the sides. And as I always say, with freshly washed hands, that's essential. Just as it is, wet straight to the pan. And we're going to wait over medium-high heat at most. Medium heat works too. Until you see it golden and to your liking. When you see it's golden on the bottom, flip it over. Look how amazing this looks, oh my. The last trick, also brown the sides for a few seconds so everything gets sealed and perfect. Super quick dish, so tasty. Look, 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 look. What a wonder. So juicy, so easy, what a wonder. This is just a little treat you can make in 5 minutes. It's surprising how simple things can be complex inside. Look, look, look at the cut, look at the cut, look at the cut. Oh my, truly luxurious. Incredible how something so simple and cheap can be so extremely delicious. I hope you like it and let me know down in the comments. What's your favorite sandwich or snack? Also, I'll leave you here.